How to rebuild your finances after bankruptcy. Bankruptcy stays on your credit report for up to 10 years, but that doesn't mean you can't begin fixing your credit before then. Let's explore ways to rebuild your financial life following bankruptcy. Start living on a budget to better manage your money and minimize the potential to fall back into debt. Rebuild or create an emergency fund so you don't have to rely on credit cards for surprise expenses like medical bills or car repairs. As you start to use credit again, do so carefully. Explore options like a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on a family member's card. Always make your payments on time and in full every month. A positive payment history is the most important habit to build good credit. Remember to regularly review your credit reports and ensure they include accurate information. For more advice on recovering from bankruptcy, visit www.takechargeamerica.org.